Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send the money from overseas to Australia. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll just open here our browser and we can directly search for it. So to transfer moving to the bank account to the directly overseas bank, okay. So from here you can just read the so you can transfer the money through a wire or a SWIFT transfer, or you can just do from the telegraphic transfer TT. A bank are more expensive. Okay, too expensive you can just do like this. Okay, so this is how we can just do. So if you want to do it, you have to do this three method called as a money transfer. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.